Hello there, it's your girl Naturalaltone here, and welcome to my channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to do spring twist. And as you can see, I'm going to use a dummy stand holder to show you this hair tutorial. And remember, when doing your spring twist, you should twist them from left to right. Just remember, from left to right, because if you twist them from right to left, your twist will be straight. It will be just a normal twist. But if you want to have a springy effect, you just twist them from left to right, like this. You can see how I'm twisting, and you are not supposed to tighten them. Just look at it. Just simple as this. No struggle. Just playing around with your hands. I'm going to do 3 strands in order for you to get it right. And if you want to make your spring twist like a pro, just make practice, because practice makes perfect. It is not a must for you to use a dummy stand or a what. You can even use a seat, a chair, and learn from it.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.